Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send WhatsApp message to all the old leads together, and that too personalized WhatsApp message like this. You do not have to lift any finger or send these messages manually to all the old contacts. Instead, this broadcast feature by Pabbly Chatflow is going to instantly reach out to all the old contacts you have in your contact list. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this interesting automation, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. So here in this video, we are going to see how using Pabbly Chatflow, we can send messages to our old leads. And for this, we are going to build a broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. First, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some credits. You can use those credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here I will be landed towards the all Pabbly apps page. I'm going to select this Pabbly Chatflow access now. Here I've landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now on the left-hand side, we have all these options. To send this message, we have to create a broadcast, but before that, we have to create a template. So I'm going to open this templates and then go towards this templates list. I've landed towards the templates page. I can see the approved templates, pending templates, draft templates, and the rejected templates. From here, you can see all the status. Now we have to create a new template. For that, we have to click on the add template and then simply click on the add template. Here I've landed towards this new template. First, I have to select the template category. You can select according to the requirement from this drop down, and then you have to name this template. So I'm going to name this as old leads. And then we have to select the language, so the language is English. Then I have to select the variable type. I'm going to select it as number, and then I have to, if you want, you can enter the header like this. If you want to skip, you can skip it and simply enter the body of the message. So I'm going to enter the body as, here I have entered the body. Hi, we noticed you have inquired about our service a while ago. Just checking in to see if you are still looking for a solution. We'd happy to answer your questions or help you get started. Reply yes if you like to reconnect. Then we have to enter the value. Now here you see that I have entered a custom variable. I have selected the number in the variable type, and then I have added a custom variable, and this is going to create a customized or a personalized message. With the help of this only, I'm going to map or add the name of this person and then send them the personalized message. So over here, I'm going to, let's suppose, add demo as the sample value. So we have to make sure that if we add the custom variable, we have to add the value to that also. And then I'm going to skip the template footer. In this template type also, if you want to send the image, video, document, location, you can send this according to the requirement. I'm going to keep it like this only. And then if you want to add the interactive actions, you can do that. And then I simply have to click on the submit. So now over here you can see that we have submitted this template and the status is pending. After a few minutes, we are going to check if it is approved or not, and when it will be approved, we can use this to our broadcast. I'm going to open, on the left hand side we can see this broadcast. I'm going to open this broadcast in a new tab now. I've landed towards the broadcast. We can see the total broadcast, live broadcast, send broadcast, and scheduled broadcast. Now we have to create a new broadcast. For that, I'm going to click on this add broadcast. I've landed towards this WhatsApp broadcast, and I'm going to first select the broadcast type. So here we have the broadcast campaign and the API campaign. I'm going to select the broadcast campaign. For this broadcast to be created, I want to send the template. In the help desk, it is written, select and filter among your existing audience and broadcast customized template or regular message. So I will be sending the template. I'm going to name this broadcast as old leads only, and then I'm going to select the contact list. You see all the contact list which I have appears here, and I want to send this to all the contacts which I have in my old leads. I have created a list in which I have added all my old leads. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open the contacts. On this contacts page, you can see all the contact list which I have created, and this old list which I have created have all the old contacts. So I have added this particular list only because I want to share this message with the old leads only. So if you want to exclude a particular contact or a particular list, you can do that from this option, list and the specific contact. You can also exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. If you want to keep it toggle on, you can keep it. I'm not going to keep this on. Then we have to select the message type, whether we want to send a pre-approved template or we want to send a regular message. So if you want to send the pre-approved template, I'm going to open this template, and over here the template is approved. This is the template which we have created. So I'm going to select this pre-approved template message, and then I'm going to click on the select WhatsApp template. And here I'm going to select this particular message. Now here I have to enter the body field. Over here you can see that I have to enter like this $name. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to tell you how this dollar is useful. I'm going to open this contact custom field in the new tab. I am on this contact custom fields. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created, and using these fields only, the details sent by the users are stored in the contact custom field, or their names are stored here. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to copy this, and if I open the WhatsApp, so I'm going to paste it over here. Now you can see $name. So with the help of this dollar only, I'm able to send a personalized message. So I'm going to go back towards this broadcast. I'm going to select the WhatsApp template, and from here I'm going to enter like this, and then I'm going to click on this done. So here it is, we have selected this particular template and we have added the body field or the custom variable. So in the contacts name, I have added the current user name, and I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I click on this send test message. You can schedule this broadcast by clicking on this yes, select the date and time, and then enter OK. And then you can also select this no if you want to send this broadcast message instantly, and then you can add this broadcast. For now, I'm going to enter my phone number, and then I'm going to click on the send test message. Let's check whether the message is sent or not, whether I receive any message on my WhatsApp or not. Let me open my WhatsApp test broadcast sent. So here it is, we have received this message. Hi current user, we noticed you inquired about a service a while ago. This is the message which I have received just now. Now I'm going to click on this add broadcast. In this, the automatic reply for failed contact automatically retry failed contacts. If you want to toggle this on, you can do this. I'm going to add this to the broadcast. So here it is, broadcast created successfully. So this broadcast is live. If I go towards the status, this is live, and it will be sent instantly to all the contacts. So over here I am on my inbox, and you can see that I have started sending template message to all these contacts. You can see that a personalized message is sent to all these contacts and the rest of the contacts, also all the old contacts which I have in my old leads list. So this is how we have sent a broadcast message to all the contact, to all the old leads. And now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.